Hi, my naturalistas. It is your girl, LATRICE, and today, as you can see, I am going over my morning routine, excluding my shower, obviously. But I just want to start off by saying this video is not sponsored, but I want to talk a little bit about what I use to exfoliate. So first here, I'm using my favorite cleanser, which is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Then after that, I'm going in with the Radiant Skincare System by Duval. So just a little bit about this system. So first, the Radiant Skincare System comes with 4 interchangeable accessories, which I absolutely love, especially the fact that it comes with a body cleansing brush as well as a facial cleansing brush. And then it also comes with a pumice stone that you can use like for your feet as well. And then basically a facial exfoliation brush. So for what I'm doing today, I'm going to use the facial cleansing brush because your girl needs her skin clean after just waking up, having all these eye boogers. My face is super tight and I just want it to be pure, clean, and smooth. So now I'm taking the brush and I'm focusing on each different part of my face. For this video, I started on my right side, worked my way around to the left, moved over to my nose, and then finished with my forehead. So then after that, I show you guys the brush, and basically there's nothing there, honey, okay, because this brush basically cleaned me up and out. So once I'm done with that, I clean my face just to get all of the excess cleanser off. If I was in the shower, I'd probably just spray water on. But now it's time to exfoliate, and this is like my all-time favorite exfoliant because it's like a chemical exfoliant. It's called the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. So the lactic and glycolic acids are used to exfoliate my skin, and then they have this ingredient called Indian gooseberry extract used to tone, and then a lemon extract used to brighten. So there's no harsh stones. I love it. So next, I'm going to use the Deep Huffing Jade Facial Roller. I got this from Sephora, and basically this just helps my skin to become a little less tense. It helps to relax me and then also reduce puffiness because I noticed that my eyes and my face get really puffy once I wake up. So after that, I have to remove my retainers. As you know, I had braces before, so I remove my retainers, and then I use mouthwash. You can use whichever one you want, but your favorite mouthwash to get your mouth right and tight and smelling good for the day. After I use my mouthwash, I then go in with my toothbrush. I use a mechanical toothbrush. You can get this from like Walmart or Target or what have you. But I go in and I brush my teeth just to make sure, obviously, that I'm taking care of those bad boys and they white and shining, baby, okay? And then lastly, I moisturize my lips with my favorite lip moisturizer, which is Carmex. And then after that, I definitely have to moisturize my skin, and I use the Palmer's Coconut Butter Formula with vitamin E in the white jar. I'll link it below, but I just feel like it just adds this absolutely beautiful radiance to my skin, and I can use it all over my body. And that's it, guys. Like, that's literally my quick morning hygiene routine for when I wake up and I have to get ready to go and just need to do something quick to ensure that my skin is beautiful and it's radiant and it's shining like the top of the Chrysler building. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure that you comment below if you need any assistance with this routine or any more additional information, okay? You hear me? Are you listening? And that's on period. All right, y'all. It's your girl, LATRICE. Remember to always protect your peace.